Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to give you some easy tips to build a pathway into a sandy desert hillside. We needed a ramped footpath somewhere for getting trash cans and wheelbarrows up and down, plus the stairs can be difficult for my mother-in-law to get back down to her casita sometimes. I used what looked like the beginning of an old footpath to save some work. It's been over 100 degrees outside every day lately, so I just worked a little bit in the mornings and evenings. I used some extra rock lying around to start lining the path, and once I got a sense of the width, angle, and steepness I wanted to go for, I started digging into the hillside a little bit, piling the loose sand up to build up the other side of the path. So all this loose sand doesn't seem like it's going to make a strong, sturdy path, and it would just slide down the hillside, right? Well, you'd be surprised what water can do to most desert sand. The water packs all the tiny pieces of granite, quartz, and dolomite together tightly, with silt and bits of clay filling in between. After soaking the top few feet of sand with water, then packing it down with a tamper or even your boots, it will dry almost like concrete, as you can see here when I try to rake the surface. And as long as you divert rainwater, the sand won't erode too bad. Here, water will run along the back rocks and creating some small trenches along the backside of the path, but it won't wash away the path completely with the amount of water that will be coming down this hillside. I finished adding some larger rocks to the end of the path, then trimmed back the creosote bush just a tiny bit. Now we have a finished footpath with just a few hours of work, basic tools that anyone should have around, and didn't spend a dime. Thanks everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We have more cool outdoor projects and hobby videos on the way. And don't forget to stay cool out there.